to DigitalBix Fashions. If you are looking for a skin-friendly and natural face wash, then you should purchase a paraben and sulfate-free face wash. Here is the list of 5 best face washes for glowing in India. Number 1. LOreal Paris White Perfect Facial Milky Foam. LOreal is one of the most renowned skincare, hair care and cosmetic brands in the world. This French company was founded in 1909 by Eugène Schuller and has its headquarters in Clichy, France. Number 2. Lotus Herbal White Glow 3-in-1 Deep Cleansing Face Wash. Lotus Herbal is a widely loved herbal beauty brand in India. It was founded in 1993 by Kamal Pasi and has its headquarters in New Delhi. Number 3. Neutrogena Pure Mild Facial Cleanser. Neutrogena has been a top choice for skincare enthusiasts across the globe. The brand stands out for its gentle and effective skincare products such as face wash, creams, lotions, etc. Number 4. VLCC Acne Care Oil Control Face Wash. VLCC is leading skincare, wellness and cosmetics brand that hails from India. It was launched in 1989 by Vandana Luthra and offered weight management and wellness plans initially. Number 5. Jovi Strawberry Face Wash. Jovi is a renowned name in the Indian skincare and hair care industry mainly due to its Ayurvedic formulation that are truly effective. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe DigitalBix Fashions.